We're entering 1699 Bulevar Mayor. This is on Pensacola Beach. To our direct right, we have our half bath, perfect for guests. Continuing down, you can see our staircase to our left, and then here's our main living area and our kitchen. Nice French doors to our large patio, which does have a deck walkway down to the ground level. There's that kitchen and our front door again. Main level is tile. The upstairs level is hardwood flooring. You can see our washer dryer closet there. Heading upstairs now, we're gonna walk back towards the front of the unit. And then we're gonna take a right. We have a small coat closet. And then here's our staircase. We are on the second level of this unit. So you can see our bathroom to the front, and facing the north side is this first bedroom. And we have our closet space as well. Lots of good lighting through these French doors. We do have a balcony off of here as well. Now turning back around here, we'll head into the bathroom. So we're gonna take a left. So here's that bathroom space. And here is our tub and shower and our commode. So turning around here. Now we'll take a left again. And this is our second bedroom. So this is facing the south side. Again, we have a nice closet and French doors to a small balcony. So here's that bedroom again. Heading back downstairs now. So we're going back through this short hallway and we're taking a turn.